my dear KCET 2025 aspirants, many of you have already registered and filled the application form, and now when you download the application form you might have received your claimed certificate. Okay, many of you have got claimed but not verified, right? Not claimed. So many things have come and you have got lot of doubts in that. So I will try to clear all these doubts in this video. Okay, and you do not have to worry, this is there from the official notification, so everything will be clarified. So let's get started and understand this in detail. Okay, so first of all you have to go to the KEA website. Okay, once you go to the KEA website you have to just click on this admission sections and then you have to click on this UGCET 2025. I hope this is visible, UGCET 2025. Once you click on this you will be directed to this page. Okay, now if you just scroll down here you can see information and document verification. Okay, so please click on this link, then you will be directed to this page. Now here now here KEA has clearly mentioned what all things are to be done for the verification of the documents. So let us see this. The first one, okay, students who have claimed clause code A. Okay, so you know from clauses are there from A to O, right? So those students who have claimed clause A, okay, and who have not studied from 1st standard to 10th standard in Kannada medium, rural, religious or linguistic minority reservations, but whose 7 years of study has been verified through SATs. Okay, so when you have uploaded your documents you would have find a SATs number column was there. Okay, so those students who are in clause A and do not belong to this linguistic minority, religious minority, rural category and Kannada medium, okay, and they have submitted their SATs number, for those students they will get a claim certificate as successfully verified. Okay, because you have provided your SATs number, so your status will be successfully verified, and such candidates need not visit any college for verification. It means that the application is accepted. Clear? Now coming to the next part, but the students who have claimed clause code A, okay, you have given clause code A and studied 10 years from 1st standard to 10th standard and claimed Kannada medium, rural, religious or linguistic reservation will receive the claim certificate printed as claim verified or claim not verified or not claimed. So there are 3 chances for you. You may either get claim verified, claim not verified or not claimed. Okay. Now such candidates will have to meet the principal of the PUC 12th standard studying college or the nearest government PU college along with the relevant original documents as per the format mentioned in the KEA website and one set of Xerox copies for verification of the documents. So you have to visit your own second PUC college, or if not you can go to any nearby government PU college where you have to give all the documents, one set of Xerox copies for verification, and once that is done your claim certificate will also be successfully verified. Now coming to other clauses students. Schedule for document verification for students who have entered clause B, C, D, I, J, K, L, M, N other than clause code A will be published in the KEA website. Okay, so for them the document verification dates will be published. You can bring your documents at that point of time and it will be verified. Now students who have entered clause code E, F, G, H, O will have to get the academic documents verified in the PUC 12th standard studying college. Okay, so if you belong to these colleges then you have to go to your respective second PUC college and check and make your documents verified. But documents related to defense, ex-defense, CAPF, ex-CAPF should be submitted thereafter for verification in KEA. Okay, so these documents have to be submitted to the for verification in KEA, but other documents you have to make sure that it is verified in your college itself. Now 371J caste income certificate RD numbers are being verified online. Okay, so there is no offline verification for these certificates. RD number, through that the verification is taking place. Hence students to check the validity of the certificates and enter the RD numbers correctly in the application form. Clear? Okay. Now coming to here the important note, based on the documents submitted by the candidates or parents, the principal of the colleges will be submitting OK in their login after verification. Okay, so the principals will be submitting the OK button. After that, in case the student has faked, forged any documents and KEA receives information with regard to the forgery, such students will be debarred from the counseling process and criminal action will be taken. So please make sure that no fraud you are doing. Okay, you are giving all the original documents, RD number should be correct. So please check these things, and now I hope all of you are clear how your claim certificate will be verified. Okay, those students who have received claim not verified, so make sure that you go to the college with all the Xerox copies of the original document, show them, and once they click on OK, then definitely your certificates will be verified. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have any more doubts, please comment down, we will definitely address it.